I'm on this pontoon, one last day I'm hoping. Got all this glass in, and what I'm doing right now is basically grinding all these areas. I could just put a little bit of fresh glass on a couple of these spots that I ran short last time, so I'll stay away from those spots for now, but essentially hitting all this just to kind of rough it up, and then I'm going to do gel coat, and that'll stick well. Go ahead, subscribe and like if you guys want to see how this kind of thing goes. Appreciate it. Alright, so I did a bunch of grinding. Pull all the dust off myself. So what I've got here is mostly prepped area for gel coat. What I was really focused on, aside from leveling all the stuff out a bit, is making a line, a gel coat line all the way around where I'll stop my gel coat. And all this is going to be sanded down to get back to the white and polished out, so I don't want to essentially paint over this crappy stuff and then have to try to sand something out, and there's going to be some crazy weird transition line that I'm going to have to solve later. So like right here, actually, on this spot, I'm going to have to get that by hand. If I paint over that, it's just going to look like dog shit, really. So yeah, in any case, got grounded all the way around, kind of roughed it up, just get rid of the little hairs. There's still a few little pieces of glass that I put on, there were little extra pieces I got to kick off a bit. I'll just hit those with the same thing here, little couple of spots I put up here, but other than that, it's all ready and dry, and I'll give it a quick sweep and then acetone it and give it like 2 or 3 coats of gel coat. Okay, so I guess that's all.